Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another Beebeecraft video. If you haven't heard of Beebeecraft, they are an awesome online crafting company. They sell all sorts of craft supplies. I'm one of their YouTube partners, and what they do is they allow me to choose some items from their website, and I bring you some tutorial videos in exchange. They are really an awesome company to work with. If you have a YouTube channel and only 100 subscribers or more, you can also participate in their YouTube program. I will put links to everything in the description box below, including the YouTube program, so please do check it out. They also gave me a coupon code that will give you $5 off of your order of $40 or more, and that's Tiggeria15, Tiggeria15. And that doesn't expire until May 1st of 2023, so you have plenty of time to use it. They also have free shipping on orders of $39 or more, so that works perfectly with the coupon code. Also, check the website. They frequently run sales and specials, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at what you see and what the prices are. One of the items I chose in my last order were these acrylic stamps, these birthday stamps. So we have the presents and happy birthday. All of these stamps came in one set, and they are amazing. They are so much fun to use. And of course, I haven't used all of them yet, but I have used a few of them, and I'll show you what I've done with them. I just wanted to show you all of the stamps first. So the first ones I used were these presents. I thought they were so cool. And I used this big one, and I just colored it in with regular water-based markers. And then I did this one, and I colored it in for Christmas colors. I thought those were fun. This one here I did red and white, and then I used some Wink of Stella on it. And on this one here, I used the Wink of Stella pen on the bows. I used this birthday cake stamp here, and as you can see, it is very dark. There's a lot of black space on it. So I went ahead and used my markers and just colored the stamp in the different colors and then stamped it out. And then the clear white space I just colored in with a lighter marker. So those are, they take the ink really well, and it was really easy to do. So I thought I would use these on a card. I have this really cool thank you card. I have a whole bunch of them. And then I thought if I just stick this right at the bottom, that's all it needs, and that would be great to say thank you for your gift. So I have my little tape runner, and I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back of the stamped image. And there, that is all it takes. I think that looks really cool on there. If you watched one of my Monday night lives, I received a whole stack of these thank you cards. And that would be great because you could give that to someone and say thank you for the gift. And then these two other stamped images, I'll use those on another card, on other projects in the future. I really do like those stamps. They work really well. So the other item I received were these clear stickers, and they are these beautiful floral stickers, and there's just a whole variety of them. There are 2 of each style. And I won't show you all of them. I'll just put a few of them out on this paper. If you want to see all of them, go check out the unboxing video and where I share all of them with you. These are amazing. The colors are vibrant and they are so pretty. Also, it came with a pack of them in black and white. And I'll show you a few of those so you get an idea. They are so beautiful. And what I did with one of them is I colored it in with Sharpie markers, just to show you one thing that you can do with them. And I wasn't sure what to do with these. I went round and round trying to decide what to do. So what I ended up doing was taking a couple of them and sticking them on an old book page. This book page came from an old encyclopedia that I got at Goodwill. And one of them I cut out in a rectangle, and the other one I tore around it. And I really, really love how they came out on the book pages. And I also thought the black and white one would be really good on the book page as well. And I'll go ahead and just peel that off and just kind of show you how easy they are to work with. So I just peel the clear sticker off and I just stuck it right down on the book page. That looks really cool. And then I think I'll peel off the one that I colored. And just stick that down on the book page as well. And then you can either cut it out in a rectangle or you can tear around the edge. They are fun and easy to work with. I love them. These are amazing stickers. And recently in Happy Mail, I received some card bases. I have these 2 card bases, and I thought they would go great with some of the flowers that I had. It's like that rose goes perfectly with that one. And then this one here, the yellow, goes good on the yellow. And these card bases were sent to me by Christine. She also sent me some beautiful lace that I thought would look great with them, and then some of these doilies. So I thought I would put these together real quick just to give you an idea of what you can do with some of these flowers. I'm going to use the back of this page here to put some glue stick on the doily. Doilies are pretty fragile, so I like to use glue stick on them. And I will do the same while my fingers are sticky with the other one. This is just a glue stick from Elmer's. Pretty much any brand will do about the same thing. And then I will just adhere this down. Well, the book page is pretty fragile too. I'm going to go ahead and use the glue stick on it as well. Don't use your tape runner on vintage book pages, apparently. There we go. And then I will put some on this one. My fingers are pretty sticky. And these book pages are definitely vintage. It's a very old encyclopedia. And then I will put a piece of the lace. I think I'm going to move this down a little bit. There we go. A piece of the lace down at the bottom of this. I'm going to cut it a little bit bigger. And this lace is already self-adhesive, so that's pretty nice. And then I will trim that off. And I will do the same on this one. The adhesive on this lace is very strong. There we go. So we have those two cards. I think they came out great. I love them. These stickers are so awesome. I really love them. And then that's how these other ones look on the page. And they were super easy to color on. I would use Copics or Bic or Sharpies, any kind of a permanent marker. And like I said, this is just Sharpie markers, and they came out really easy. So here are the 3 cards that I made using these products from Beebeecraft. I hope you enjoyed them. I really love those. That whole stamp set, it is awesome. All kinds of stamps, and it doesn't have to be just birthday. You can use it for Christmas or any other gift-giving occasion. And in this case, it would be for a thank you card. And then these beautiful clear floral stickers. And you can use them on a white background or on a vintage book page. I think they came out really great. I really do love the products from Beebeecraft. Check out my other videos using some of the products that I received in the latest order. Also, if you check out the Beebeecraft website, please let me know what some of your favorite products are. I'm always looking for ideas to order from them for my next order. I will put all of the links to the products that I used in the description box below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you like what you see, please do give this a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. It also helps YouTube find more videos that you would enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.